Here at Transition Discoveries, we have an online survey tool for young people, families, and professionals who support them to all share about what's working in preparing for success after high school. This tool is called the TD Quality Indicator Survey, and we nicknamed it the TDQI. So many communities are sharing what's working with us, and we want to share this information with you too. So, we made TD's What Works Data Hub. Think of this like your one stop shop for stats and highlights about effective things that communities are doing to help young people reach their goals for life after high school. Hey, by the way, if you want to share your knowledge and experience about transition, you can take our survey as well. We have a link to the survey in our Get Connected page of this site. Definitely check that out once you're done exploring what's working in transition. In order to become a powerful TD data wizard, there are a few things that you'll need to know. Right now, below this video, the first thing that you'll see is an interactive data visualizer. This is where all the fun happens. See how there are 9 categories on it? Well, they each relate to one of the 9 areas for preparing for success after high school according to the Transition Discoveries Quality Indicator Framework. We call these quality indicators because when we see them happening, we know that young people and their families are getting all of the support they need to succeed. Make sure that you check out the page on this website called Our Framework, where you can learn more about each of these 9 areas. Each of these 9 categories has a quality indicator score. Just hover your mouse pointer over the open circles on the line in the data visualizer to see these scores. So, what is this score and what does it mean? Well, through the power of mathematical magic, each quality indicator score represents 2 things at the same time: how often practices occur, and when they do, how effective they are at helping young people reach their goals for life after high school. A score between 0 and 1 means that practices are just starting to match up with how the TD framework defines effective transition to life after high school. A score greater than 1, but less than 2, means that practices are mostly matching up with how the TD framework defines effective transition. And finally, a score greater than 2, all the way up to 3, means that practices are strongly matching how the TD framework defines effective transition. Okay, so here's where it gets really cool. You can see the average quality indicator score for when results are combined between young people, families, and stakeholders. You can also change the visualizer to show the quality indicator scores for each individual group. Use the checkboxes in the data filter menu under the visualizer to choose what you want to see. You're almost a level 99 TD data wizard. There's just one more thing to talk about. You'll notice an option that says range of score in the community. If you click on one of the options, you'll also notice a green shaded region will appear around the line. This green shaded region tells us the range of scores that we would see if we went out and collected information from all possible people that are similar to the people who have already shared their experiences through the Transition Discovery Survey. This is a prediction of effective practices based upon the info that we already have. You can see the potential range of scores for young people, families, or transition stakeholders. You can click all to see them combined into one range. So check it out. In addition to these 9 key areas called quality indicators, we have practices that young people, families, and stakeholders have identified within these indicators that lead to success after high school. We call these areas within the indicators sub-indicators. You're able to use the drop-down menu above the visualizer to select each of these 9 indicators and see all of the related practices. Remember, If you want to learn more about these sub-indicators, you can head over to our Framework page of this site to get started. This area of our site is super helpful when looking at TD data. We recommend that you open up two browser tabs, one with the page you're on right now, and the other with our framework. So you can watch videos that explain these 9 quality indicator areas and their related sub-indicators while you look at all of this interesting data.